Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For that, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Almost Simon Jordan and Danny Murphy don't come outside the talk say the next few weeks would be very, very critical for Arsenal because they likely say they will sack Arteta in the next few weeks because now we'll go play games against Burnley, AFC Wimbledon, Tottenham Hotspur, and Brighton. So we will know how Arsenal will fare, how they will play. We know everybody don't praise them, say them win Norwich, we win Norwich. But no be really what we're supposed to gyrate about because Norwich na shit packer. So now the next match especially, God forbid if we go lose that Burnley game, then and obviously we will win AFC Wimbledon. They will come go lose Tottenham Hotspur again. The pressure go high. So anything can happen. You see the way Arteta take get confidence, they get brave mind, take come out Leno, put Ramsdale. That's what the board said. We just get brave mind. Come out Arteta, go bring Conte. So anyhow they go, I go let you know. But my prayer be say make it not happen like that. More just knock Burnley. We knock Burnley. Then at Tottenham Hotspur, anything can happen. If we knock them or if we drop them, we will not lose. That's the important thing. We must not lose our bragging rights. Then after that one, then Brighton destroy them. Then everything will go well. Today night Champions League is start. So Arsenal women go play Barcelona women for their group stage because themselves with Barcelona women they the same group. I know that Barcelona women be the reigning champions because Barcelona women and Chelsea women ain't play fine and we back and win. So now a lot of people they talk say Arsenal now this season they hot because Chelsea will be reigning champions. Arsenal already knocked them 3-2 for this season. So I want to know how the team where Eideval will be the Arsenal women coach will set up will play Barcelona. And this thing now October 5th that they go plan. So it's still far no be now. So by then I go know how they go take plan because when you have people like Nikita Paris, when you have Medima, when you have Manai Wabuchi, all those kind of stars where Arsenal don't set up now. They ought to. Bellerin don't come outside, they let the media know the reason we make them push for a move from Arsenal to Real Betis. So what can they talk say? In go Real Betis to go win trophies. You get say go there go enjoy playing time. And you get one company where you contact me there and do statistics for the club we go fit in style of play and where go flourish. They can talk say na Real Betis. And on to him Papa can talk say make him go Real Betis because he be their number one fan. So that is why I can't go there. And he don't come here come count grass. He don't come here come play. He come here to come win trophies. Well, some people they thought saying they throw small insult for Arsenal. Say maybe we know they win trophy. They won't go win trophy. I just hope say the reverse now the case. Say no be saying they use style they insult us. Bologna coach that they call Sinisa Mihalovic don't come outside the talk say he don't lose a player of great quality in Takahiro Tomiyasu because he lose this guy for deadline and the problem is say he no can't get chance to go replace this guy. If now you self you go the vex and because Baba they talk say this guy na person will say if he cover the entire back line, they put him for anywhere, if he play right back, if he play center back, if he even put him on defensive midfield, he go adapt, he go play. The guy is very technically gifted, he did very, very intelligent. So they say anywhere we tell and say Baba play like this, he go play for you. So I'm gonna say it's in pain, I'm gone. J Boytrod will be our favorite pundit itself. Don't come outside and they talk say what did Arteta do for that match against Norwich? Say this no sweet in belly at all. Say which levels now? So why Arteta go come out Albert Sambi Lokonga for that match? That guy was like our best player in the midfield. What did they come out? They come out and onto the player hierarchy. Say okay, maybe he just come or waiting. They come out and they put party. Which levels now? He's supposed to come out another person. Someone the same pain the way they take come out the guy. Say out of everybody them bring in now only party 90 say okay party makes sense. Say the lineup we use against that Norwich if na Kochi will get sense. Say that lineup now go be the best first 11. Say at most maybe come out instrument na Niles come put party then make it be say that Party and Lokonga they play for that midfield. Say say it makes sense go on. Say make Arteta reason you get think about it. La Liga president who they call Tebas Javier don't come outside the talk say with the kind of money where Real Madrid don't get now from player sales, from ticket sales. Say next season, say they fit sign Erling Haaland and Mbappe at the same time. So most of the watch for next season because as they don't move enter Santiago Bernabeu now. You know, see last season they play for Estadio de Dragao. I don't forget the name of that stadium. With blessing at day 9 they are under 23, under 21 they play. So now they don't move from there, they don't repair that Santiago Bernabeu, they don't fix everything. So now if they play there, they get in ticket sales and they make more money. So next season it go hot gone because a lot of you see the way transfer season they go now, we say people know to sign players you get, but next summer baba dey talk say people go sign like mad because money don't dey, people dey collect ticket sales and everything don dey normal. Our Granny Xhaka don return from Switzerland where im dey for isolation from the COVID-19 virus wey im collect. So I don't know, baba supposed to go take vaccine so that this kind thing no go happen again. So baba don come back now, so we go dey train with the boys, even though I believe say still get in 3-match ban wey never serve finish. So hopefully he go serve am many times soon. Then all the watchers still go sub sharp. Guy Clichy don't come outside. The reason everybody, the reason we make am comot for Arsenal in those days, because Baba Kwale explain say, say during in time, every transfer season, star man go comot for Arsenal, star person go comot. People when they ask, so wetin dey sup? Why these people they leave? So Baba Kwale come outside now. After many years later, they talk say the reason we make them they come out be say, then they see Manchester City like him now, he go Man City. So then they see Man City as a place where say if he go win trophies. You know if he be player where they play season in season out, week in week out. At the end of the day, you know win trophy, just dey collect salary, na just dey enter top 4. Na top 4 you wan chop. At the end of your playing career, you go look your cupboard, check how many medals dey there, wetin you win. That is why a lot of people dey laugh Harry Kane of Tottenham Hotspur because this guy na very great player, but at the end of the day, he has won nothing with Tottenham Hotspur. Now wetin dem go take dey laugh am? Even Saka sef don at least win FA Cup, but Baba never win anything. Upon all the coaches wey dey come for Spurs, they come, they go, they come, they go. Still yet, nothing to show for it. That is why for this summer transfer now we just happen now, Baba won't go join Man City, but Dan 11 no let am go. Even though Baba don't tell am say anybody won't sign you, we don't give us the 100 million plus, we will let you go. Baba can't break him promise because if Harry Kane come out, it go be disaster. It go be like when Van Persie come out for Arsenal, who can struggle. Now what it then self no fit do. So well, we just pray say for this coming transfer window when they come, they go allow Kane to go abeg. Make the guy win at least something. Even for England, bro, he had to win. I get argument too. A lot of people they argue online now because of the thing where they happen to Leno. You know, say now we Arteta don't drop Leno, so a lot of monitoring spirit they talk say Arteta will continue that trend. Thing go continue to play Ramsdale, so Leno will dey for Benjamin. So some people call they talk say since Leno dey for Benjamin now, why Leno can't allow us sell Martinez? Why no Kuku sell Leno that time? Make Martinez Kuku stay. See now at the end of the day, we won't sell Leno, but the answer be say I want to know now. Nobody feel know what to go happen for future. Now that time Leno dey hot. You get as today now. If you tell you to go happen next week, you don't feel know now. You go know whether Ramsdale self go flop next week or go flop next month. Nobody can tell. So I know they break that argument. You get me? I just die that matter. Martinez don't go. We say don't go. Leno dey for Benjamin now. Hopefully, but Leno na 29 years now. Ramsdale na 23. So now we know so our plan now to use young crop of players when them come together and Leno know dey for that mode. Know dey for that age bracket. That's why they want to tell him find his square root. And at the same time, you know even they help matters because in the form sheet packer, the guy they play nonsense, and we know they enjoy waiting they play. So anyhow way team they go, I just hope say them continue with Ramsdale because the match against Burnley is very very critical. Now me personally I go to judge the team because Burnley are very physical side and a lot of people they use that physicality, they depress Arsenal, they intimidate us. So when this match starts, I will know how everything goes up. So my dear football lovers, here will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we sell our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you.